Hello viewers, UPSC CDS2 notification 2020 released at the rate upsc.gov.in for 344 vacancies in Combined Defence Services. Online application starts from 5th August. Last date to apply is 25th August. UPSC CDS2 exam date is 8th November. Release of UPSC CDS admit card is October and UPSC result date is December. For filling up the online application form, first you have to go to upsconline.nic.in. After that you click on online application for various examination of UPSC. Click here for part 1 registration. This window will open up after you click. After reading all the instructions, click yes to proceed and fill your details. The link of the official notification for CDS2 examination given in UPSC website is in the description of this video, which is as follows. This is the official notification of UPSC CDS2 2020, where it is mentioned that last date for filling the online application form is 25th August. Candidates are required to apply online by using the website http://upsconline.nic.in. The online application can be filled up to 25th August 2020 till 6 pm. The online application can be withdrawn from 1st September to 7th September till 6 pm. Vacancy for Indian Military Academy Dehradun is 100, Indian Naval Academy Ejimala is 26, Air Force Academy Hyderabad pre-flying is 32, Officers Training Academy at Chennai Madras is 169, Officers Training Academy at Chennai Madras for women is 17. Total vacancy is 344. Age limit for Indian Military Academy is unmarried male candidates born not earlier than 2nd July 1997 and not later than 1st July 2002. For Indian Naval Academy, unmarried male candidates born not earlier than 2nd July 1997 and not later than 1st July 2002 only are eligible. For Air Force Academy, 20 to 24 years as on 1st July 2021, that is born not earlier than 2nd July 1997 and not later than 1st July 2001. For Officers Training Academy men born not earlier than 2nd July 1996 and not later than 1st July 2002. For Officers Training Academy women who have not remarried are eligible. They should have been born not earlier than 2nd July 1996 and not later than 1st July 2002. Education qualification for IMA is degree from a recognized university. For INA, degree in engineering. For Air Force, degree in recognized university with physics and mathematics at 10+2 level. For admission to Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy and Air Force Academy, subjects are English 2 hours 100 marks, General Knowledge 2 hours 100 marks, Elementary Mathematics 2 hours 100 marks. For admission to Officers Training Academy, English 2 hours 100 marks and General Knowledge 2 hours 100 marks. A scale of Army officers and equivalent ranks in Air Force and Navy are given as follows. You will find the detailed notification in the description of this video. Army officers are liable to serve anywhere in India and abroad. Promotion. The following are the service limit for the grant of substantive promotion to higher ranks. Lieutenant on completion of training, Captain 2 years of reckonable commission service, Major 6 years of reckonable commission service, Lieutenant Colonel 13 years of reckonable commission service, Colonel 15 years of reckonable commission service, Brigadier 23 years of reckonable commission service, Major General 25 years of reckonable commission service, Lieutenant General after 20 years of reckonable commission service. For general rank, it has no restriction. Referring to the pattern of the exam, those who opt for Indian Defence Academies have to take a test for English, General Knowledge and Mathematics. Those who prefer for recruitment into Officers Training Academy do not have to take a test for the Mathematics section. If a candidate can score 150 or more, they can consider it to be a good attempt. The exam is for 300 marks and hence 50% of the total marks can said to be a good attempt. A simple strategic approach to increase the number of good attempts in each paper is to focus on the weightage of marks in each section. For instance, in English section, much weightage is given to comprehension, sentence structuring and error spotting question. Similarly, in GK, the higher weightage of marks is carried by the section of current affairs, history, geography, polity and science. Those who opt for mathematics can similarly set their eyes on the section of arithmetic aptitude, geometry and algebra, which tends to carry a higher weightage of marks. An ultimate cornerstone of the preparation of CDS 2020 exam is revision. The emphasis on revision is highlighted again and again by academic institution coaches and mentors to overcome the disadvantage of forgetting what one studies. Therefore, ensure that at least an hour of the day during the entire study plan is reserved for revision. I hope the information shared by me about the official notification of UPSC CDS 2 exam 2020 is relevant to you. Please like and share this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.